Hey guys, how are you? Today we are going to see how you're going to replace the faulty keyboard of a laptop. So this is my Acer 5742 whose keyboard has gone bad. मतलब कि keyboard का कबाड़ा हो गया है. So this is the new keyboard which I have ordered online from Amazon. So let us see how we go about it. So first things first, you got to remove the battery. पेशेंट को सुलाने को मांगते हैं ना भाई ऑपरेशन के पहले. Now to remove the old keypad, we need to have a tool like this. This is my wife's hair clip. She's gone out, so let's not worry about that. So just put the clip in a corner like this, and you can remove the laptop like that. You got to be very careful with this. This is how the keyboard will come off. Pull it a little bit forward, and you can turn it. So you see this connector here. Slowly you need to remove very carefully like this, very carefully. Okay, so this is how the cable comes off. We need to now insert the new cable slowly like that, slowly like that. Okay, so we have inserted the cable in the connector. Then you can flip the keyboard carefully like that, very carefully, and put it back slowly like that. You need to press it from all four corners. Hear the click sound. So that's it guys, the keyboard has been installed and it is working. I can type and you see that it is working fine. Thanks guys for patient listening, and as you can see the patient is also live and kicking. Thank you.